The vitamin man has returned.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Remember, just go ahead and mention Cooper & Company
That's right.
today.
10% off
That's
today.
right.
So you in on this plan. Me and Seth kind of got it working out. And so he had a good deal. He's doing that once a week.
He is. It's training once a week for weight loss and helping people understand the role that vitamins play in that. But he also talks about exercise, good eating habits like eating breakfast like a king, eating lunch like a prince, and eating dinner like a pauper. Americans do that backwards. We don't hardly eat breakfast at all. We eat some skimpy lunch, and then we eat this huge meal at night.
The rate of obesity is defined in USA Today this week as 100 pounds over your normal weight. 100 pounds. What obesity?
I thought it was like 30.
It's a certain percentage over your ideal body weight.
30, but 100. There's like 5 million people at 100 pounds overweight.
It's insane. They're saying that fully 12% of the teenage population in America is now obese. That's an insanity. And the real sad news is, folks, if we don't get control of it, it's going to lead to type 2 diabetes. There's 25 million full-blown diabetics in America today that cost us about $200 billion a year. You know what? There's 79 million. Listen to this. This is called type 2 diabetics or pre-diabetics. They're not diabetic yet, but within 3 to 5 years they will be. That's going to cost us $600 billion a year in the next 3 to 5 years. We can't afford it. You're either going to do it our way or we're going to go broke.
So do we need to take every one of these vitamins daily?
This is what's so cool, Jamie. You can you was talking about how these products have helped you. That's right.
And you can tell how healthy I am.
That's Ultra Joint Health. I'm going to encourage everybody. Listen, if you've got those knees, when you squat down, they grind. If your knees swell on you or your joints, maybe you got that rotator cuff problem, you're losing the range of motion in your shoulders. Listen, Ultra Joint Health is almost a miracle for people like Jamie that have had these problems. And
helped his knees.
What I want to explain to you is people come into our store, and I want y'all to understand, Nutritional Healthcare, we absolutely make the highest quality products that's ever been put on the market. We've compared them to everything in the country. Nothing comes close. And I'm going to give you an example again today. Ultra Joint Health, if you just look at the ingredient list that's in this bottle, and then you go out and you try to buy everything that's in this one bottle separately, that whole line of products right there is in this one product. Now, if you took everything that's on that table there, some of them you got to take 2 of them a day, some of them 3 a day, some of them 1 a day, you'll be taking about 21, 22 pills a day. And you can do it that way if you want to. And the cost is $179 if you do it that way. And that's a month. That's a month's supply of each one of those products. Well, that's how it works.
But you sell them anyway. So you're costing your own self money here.
Absolutely. Well,
you know, like Alan Coleman telling people how to avoid a cavity.
Yeah,
absolutely.
Sugar.
We want you to be healthy. Our goal's always been to make America healthy, one person at a time. But look at the ingredient list. Glucosamine. Go out and buy the glucosamine separately. Why? If you're not going to buy ours, do that. Why? Glucosamine is what your body actually uses to grow cartilage. Then you got chondroitin in here. What does chondroitin do? Go out and buy it separately if you want to. It lubricates the joints. We call MSM the WD-40 for the human body. And
I believe it works.
It works. It's an amazing thing. This has some MSM in it. You need a little more. Ginger. What does ginger do? Anti-inflammatory. It's got the coumarin in it. Same thing. You got to get these anti-inflammatories in there. Why? Because while you're healing, you want the inflammation to stay down, so therefore you don't hurt so bad. So we put it in there. Bromelain. You got the Boswello, the essential fatty acids. You know, some of you out there taking fish oil. You run out there and buy these fish oils all separately. Why do you do that? When if you go to Nutritional Healthcare, you go to Herbs and More in Athens or NHC Herb Shop in Killen, or you can go to Gloria's Good Health. They all have these products. And what do? We combine them so that you're getting the full extent of everything on that table in one product. And listen, here's the difference. Instead of $179 a month, this product is $57, but listen close, that's a 2-month supply. You're talking about under $1 a day to have everything you need for your body to manufacture cartilage.
Well, Roy, could that also help? I noticed today I was reading an article that knee replacement surgery has like quadrupled over the last 5 years. Is that something that could possibly help people with
avoid that
knee problems and stuff like that, keep them preventing them have a knee replacement?
Well,
hip replacement?
I'm not allowed to make a claim, but we have dozens and dozens and dozens of people who have absolutely avoided knee replacement surgery, shoulder replacement surgery, by taking supplements like these. And I mean, they're documented all the way across the country. Had a man in our church who at one time was bone on bone. The doctor said the only option you got is to have knee replacement surgery. He got on the supplements we recommended, and then verified by his own doctor's x-rays, in 9 months had 1/8 inch of cartilage grown back in his joints. He avoided knee replacement surgery. Now, I always tell people, you can do it man's way using his concoctions if you want to. You can let him cut parts of your body out and throw it away if you want to. Or you can support the health of your body and let it do it. Can your body grow cartilage? Well, how do you think it got there in the first place? You grew it. Let's let it do that again.
Oh, correct. Now, I need to pull your x-rays because that very thing happened to Jamie.
10% off each and every Wednesday, Herbs and More, and at NHC over in Killen, Alabama. Thank you, Roy, as always.
Thank you.
Helping one person at a time. And
awesome.
I don't ache like that anymore because I do take those very same 2 products.
Mention Cooper and Company and get the discount
And
today.
it makes your hair healthier. Look at it.
Yeah, look at mine. Yeah.
I wouldn't go there.
Hey, Judge Don Mansell joins us next. We're going to talk about Eli Gold coming to the great city of Athens, Alabama.
Yay.
We'll talk with him next. Y'all hang on.